Everybody want to know how to get a swirl in my crown. And do it right now. First, I need a brush, a comb, and some pomade. First, I'm going to put some pomade on first. First, you got some pomade. First, you got to put on your crown. All you need is a little bit. Crown and brush it into a swirl. After you do a crown, do a brush section. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.